Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the reel with the audio you want. Tap the audio name at the bottom to open the audio page. This reveals full clip length, creator handle, and options. Once open, preview the segment so you know timing and any edits. Tap Save or Add to Favorites so you can access it later from your profile. Do this first to avoid losing the clip. Saved audio stays in your library and speeds up the next steps. Now create a new reel. Upload video or record inside the camera. Tap the audio icon, go to Saved Audio, and pick the clip you saved earlier. Once selected, adjust the start time so the beat or line hits where you want. Use trim to cut intro and align or speed to sync with visuals. Make sure to preview with sound and mute original clip if you only want the saved audio. This keeps rhythm tight and avoids offbeat cuts. Finish by adding captions, overlays, and tag the original creator in the caption so viewers know source. Save a draft and preview the reel on another device to confirm sync and volume. Export using Instagram's default settings or 1080p for highest quality. If audio disappears or is muted, make sure the original audio is still available. Reopen its audio page and resave, or check for region restrictions. If that fails, record the audio externally as a workaround and re-import it carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.